Do you know another way to say criticize? Criticize is a very strong word, so let's find out different expressions that have a similar meaning. Listen to the following conversation and try to guess which phrase has a similar meaning to the word criticize.
Well, if we're going to go after my addiction, then we should probably talk about your addiction.
I don't have any addictions. I'm perfect.
You really like to listen to heavy metal rock way too loud.
Oh.
I'm cooking our dinner, and then you come home, and then you just blast this music, and it totally breaks the peace.
The phrase we're looking for is go after. This means to follow in order to catch or get something. In this situation, it is used to mean to probe or ask questions. So it's similar to criticize. Josh said, if you're going to talk about and criticize my addiction, then we should talk about your addiction. Let's listen again.
Well, if we're going to go after my addiction, then we should probably talk about your addiction.
So the phrase is go after. When you want someone to stop bothering you with questions or complaints, say this. Why are you going after me? Why are you going after me? You could also say, stop grilling me. Stop grilling me. To grill someone means to question intensely or interrogate somebody. Similarly, you could also say, why are you accusing me? Why are you accusing me? To accuse means to claim that someone has done something wrong. When there is a fight, we often solve it by coming to an agreement. For example, you could say, I'll do the dishes, but instead, you should do the laundry. What do you call these kinds of situations? Let's find out by listening to the rest of the conversation.
Okay, so a compromise for me is to wear earbuds and I can turn the screen away, right?
Okay.
What's the compromise for you?
Okay, maybe only Saturday night. Before we go out, big Saturday night going out, you have to get warmed up and have some fun music.
Okay.
So I'll play it then. That's my plan.
So the key word here is compromise. Josh said he'll wear his earbuds, and Alexandra said she'll listen to music only on Saturday nights. Let's listen again.
Okay, so a compromise for me is to wear earbuds and I can turn the screen away, right? What's the compromise for you?
You heard him say, so a compromise for me is to wear earbuds. This is not an easy word, but it's a very useful one. So compromise means an agreement. These two people are giving up something and listening to each other's wants in order to solve the problem. Instead of saying, what can you do for me? You could say, what's the compromise for you? What's the compromise for you? Similarly, you could say, let's find the middle ground. Let's find the middle ground. Or, let's meet each other halfway. Let's meet each other halfway. These expressions show that you want to come to an agreement with the other person. Next time you want to resolve a conflict, try using one of these phrases. Do you know another